Hi, welcome to Oil Wheel, Isha Herbal Marketing. So we are here today to do the castor oil detox program. Okay, I will brief you in detail about the program, but before I do that, let me introduce you about my company. Okay, initially we started as Isha Herbal Marketing, and now we have rebranded into Oil Wheel. Oil Wheel means the house of oil. Okay. Right. We are in this business for the past 8 years. We are doing all pure cold press oil. Okay. So if you have checked our website, you would know that we have all kinds of cold press oil, and we have ventured into beauty products also, facial products, and so on. So let me not waste your time anymore. We will move into the castor detox program. All right. Okay, there are some certain things that I want to brief you in detail. So please pay attention and do grab a pen and a paper to jot down these important details. Okay. Should you still not clear about it later on while doing it, you can always contact me. Okay, I'll be helpful throughout the journey of detox. Do not worry, this program is only a 1 day program to cleanse your bowel. Okay, right. Let's look at this. This detox plan is called in Ayurveda as Virachana therapy. Okay, Virachana therapy is the use of certain items. There are various ways of doing Virachana therapy. One of it is castor oil. Okay, taking pure castor oil nowadays is very difficult. Okay, so these add-on items are not done by me, but it was recommended in Ayurveda itself. Okay, so there are some preparations you need to do before you venture into this castor detox program, right? The day before, 1 day before you go into this castor detox program, things that you need to observe is you need to take light food. Yeah, be on a light food 1 day before the detox. All right, especially at night. Go on like a soup or porridge. Do not take coffee or tea or meat if possible, at least at night. If you can't avoid it, if you have to have meat daily, you can have fish for lunch or egg for lunch, and for dinner please be on a light diet. All right, so that's the preparation for the night before. Okay, now the dosage that we recommend for 40 to 80 kilo, yeah, of body weight. All right, these are the things that you need for this. So you have to prepare this item a day earlier to ensure that you have the things ready for you to use. Okay, number one, you have the castor oil. Yes, you already purchased them from me. It is of edible quality. Number two, you need ginger. Okay, remove the ginger skin. Okay, pound the ginger and extract the juice. Number three, you need honey. Okay, so ensure you have all these three items, and also keep in hand some lemon. Okay, you would need that to stop the program. Okay, all right, so now let's look into the quantity required. For castor oil, you would need about 4 tablespoons, that is 60 ml. Okay, and then ginger juice 45 ml or about 3 tablespoons. Honey 45 ml, 3 tablespoons. But if you want to increase the dose of ginger and honey to 60 ml or 4 tablespoons, it is fine. Okay, it is fine, but do not increase the castor oil. Okay, let me repeat: 4 tablespoons castor oil, 3 tablespoons ginger juice, 3 tablespoons honey. Okay, now mix all this together. Mix all this together and consume. But supposing you find it too thick and you cannot take it directly, you may dilute them in water. Okay, probably about 50 to 100 ml water. Dilute all these and drink. Okay, Now, for kids below 12 years, we would suggest that you halve the dosage above. Okay. Number 3, pregnant ladies or women who is waiting to conceive should not try this. Elderly people with blood pressure also should avoid this. My program has been successfully done by elder people. For example, I had recently a 70-year plus old man who did it and he was fine. All right. Nevertheless, I would say precaution is always good. Do this program in a fine weather day. Why? Because this detox plan will make you purge and your body will get cold. All right. So if it is a rainy season and your body is also cold, it's too cooling. All right. So that is why choose a warm day to do it. Okay. The day that is not raining in the morning, you can start the program. Okay. Now, be mindful. When you are doing this program, you will have certain symptoms. Common symptoms like headache, nausea, giddy. All right. So these are common, right? What you need to do is just rest well. Okay. Now, once you have prepared the concoction, okay, you have to mix them together, consume them in empty stomach as early as possible in the morning. Why as early? So that by lunch, your detox plan would have been settled and you can start with light meal plan. Okay. So you drink up the concoction. You drink it up. You wait for half an hour. All right. After half an hour, have 1 glass of hot water. All right. After half an hour, have 1 glass of hot water. Yeah, not warm. Hot. Sip and drink the hot water. And then you wait for another 15 minutes. Drink 2 glasses of warm water. Okay. Then you wait another 15 minutes and have another 2 glasses of warm water. And that should be all. Okay. You just wait until you go to the washroom. All right. If you feel, for some people it will take few minutes. For some people it will take hours. Right? It can take you up to 1 to 4 hours to have bowel movement. It is all depends on your colon. Okay. So each people are different. So you cannot expect the same result. Now you may have to visit the restroom about 3 to 6 times. Okay. Now what you can do is just be on warm water. Don't eat anything. All right. Just drink warm water. Now, when should you stop drinking the warm water? There is a time when you have to stop this detox plan. Okay. How do you know? Your body will tell you. Okay. First, you have to notice your urine. Okay. If your urine quantity is more than the stool, then the stool is in color of plain water. Okay. What is coming out from you is just plain water. Then it's fine. That's the time you have to stop it. Okay. How do you stop it? You either drink buttermilk. In Tamil, it's called moru. Buttermilk with some rock salt inside. Or if you don't have, just have some lime juice with some salt. Okay. This will stop the loose motion. Okay. This will put a stop to it. After that, give your stomach time to rest. Don't immediately try to eat. Yeah. Let it rest for an hour or so. And then you can have a liquid diet. Go for some soup, kanji, rasam, like that. Okay, don't try to take food. Very, very light porridge, watery, light porridge. That is liquid diet. Okay. Now, once you are done with that, dinner. Dinner, you can have semi-solid food. Semi-solid means a thick porridge. Yeah, a thick porridge. Or you can also make the Indian khichdi, where mung beans are cooked with the rice. Okay. Now, that is what you need to do. That's all. So it's very simple, and that should only be done 6 months once. Okay. But if you are a person who eats a lot of non-veggie meat, snacks and fast food, you may have to do it often, like 4 months the most. Okay. Now, the quantity of castor oil, ginger, and honey uh, may vary according to your weight. Okay, so that we can only experiment by trying it out. So once you do this time, you see how you're going very frequent. So the next round, you should know what is your dosage. All right, to reduce or to increase. So that's up to you. Okay, so that is for the particular day. The next day, what you need to do, keep your food intake very, very light and easy. Okay, do not eat any raw veggies and fruit. Why? Fiber hard to digest for that particular day. Okay, your colon or your intestine is really, really very raw, yeah, being cleansed. All right, so they're very gentle and fragile. Treat them well for a few days. For 2 days after the flush, avoid heavy on the stomach. Yeah, heavy on the stomach, like meat, fried food, spicy food, raw food, sushis, coffee, tea, and meat. All this should be avoided. Okay. Now, this flush is very intense. It eliminates all toxin from the body. Okay. It will also flush out parasites such as tapeworms. Okay. So it's also a deworming way. Okay. So once it is done, you are okay already. You can go on a regular diet after a few days. All right. The longer you extend your caring for your colon, the best it will be performing for you. Okay, so that's all for now. Should you have any issues, or if you think that you have a lot of balance of your castor oil, don't worry about it. I will soon come out with and teach you on how to do it, how to use it for liver detox. Okay, so see you in the next program. Thank you. Bye.